still defeated because I messed it up. Subscribe. Alright, got these off. Now we're ready to keep going. All right, let's get this figured out. I think I dropped one. I'll find it with my foot later. But let's just start where it's already for. Right there. Gotta love machine stitching, it's so weak. Thought I was gonna get to go all the way around. Well, that's a piece. Okay, it is, well, the next day, because I had to get going to work. Now I need to get this taped up so I can get it laid out on the new material and try to get this cut out in the new material. As I told you, I'm almost out of tape. So I got more. As you all know, super professional. So this doesn't fit on my little desk, so I had to take it to the floor. Do what you gotta do. You guys can't really see that all that well. But it's actually looking pretty cool. Yeah, I don't even know if this will be in the video, but we'll see. Okay. So, I've got to get this cut out, but I can't use this giant piece. So I'm going to make this smaller, and then smaller again, and then hopefully we're in the right track. trimming this all up right now. Get it to a workable size. Well, that's just gonna be one big workable piece, I guess. Let's go ahead and get these other small ones done first, then we'll go back to the big one. Well, let's get going on this. Well, we have got our pieces all cut out. Everything is good to go, I think. I mean, you gotta remember, this is my first time ever doing one of these seats. So I'm just trying to do it the best I can. I think I've done it right. We'll see. If you got an upholstery business in or around Kokomo, let me know. I'd love to come hook up with you and watch what you do, maybe document your process and just kind of learn from you. I'm not in business with anybody. I'm not in competition with anybody. I just want to learn. So if you've got a business that does upholstery, let me know. I'd love to come check it out and just learn how you actually do this. So that being said, let's finish this up, which is getting pretty close to time for me to have to go to work. So this may have to get finished tomorrow. Either way, it's gonna get finished and this is gonna look freaking sweet. All right, we've got this first half of this done. And well, that looks really, really good. Now, I just gotta finish going around this side. And well, essentially most of this main part will be done. All right, let's get it. All right, got this stitched up now. I need to get some tape down so I can get this double stitched part done. Let's get it. Okay, now I'm gonna get this tape off. All right, let's get this punched, stitched, and almost fully ready. Let's do it. As we get to stitching this, I cannot help but think how good this is gonna look. Even just the first little bit of a layout, one stitching, it looked awesome. Now, doing the double row, oh, this is gonna look so good.
getting a front little attachment. I don't know what it's called because, well, this is my first one ever doing. But I'm getting it attached. It'll fit right over the nose of the seat. Or, I don't know. Right in front of your junk, I guess. And this is now not gonna work. When trying to stretch it on here, I just ripped it. So, well, this whole thing is now junk. Alright, well, I feel defeated because I messed it all up. Not by a lot, just, by little bits. But, I think I realized what I did. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board, knock it out again. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a video or if I'll just make the next one a video. Either way, I gotta redo this. Yeah. But that's part of the game. Well, take 2 of trying to do this seat. Let's see how it goes. Well, let's get this put on, hopefully. Well, that's pretty awesome. Let's take a closer look. So it'll go on the motorcycle. And then there's the back seat. Oh, that's gonna look good. It's not a backrest, it's just a back seat. This will be up more. Yeah, I just can't do it with one hand. So, that's the seat. Huh. Not a bad first seat. I am so excited about this. Well, we've done it. We had a few setbacks. Well, I entirely had to remake this seat. Why? Because, well, I just didn't cut it right, and it was off by maybe 1/4 of an inch. So, I had to redo it. This time I made it big enough. And now, this looks pretty awesome, my opinion. Guy that wanted this made, I think he's gonna be pretty excited about it. We'll see if he comments on it. But I'm very happy with how this turned out. It was a very tough project, something completely out of my ordinary. And it's all hand stitched. I think that's what's gonna be kind of the cool part about this is most motorcycle seats aren't hand stitched. They're just put together with a machine. So this is my first ever motorcycle seat. I love it. I'm excited about it. It's gonna go great with the back seat. Now again, this isn't a backrest. This is a back seat. It'll go about like this, or somewhere in there. Sits back here for somebody to sit. And this is gonna look really good. I don't think I'll get a picture or video of this when it's all put up and installed before this video goes out, because, well, I'm gonna put this video out like tomorrow, and then probably ship this out tomorrow. So this will be on its way to Florida next couple days. Also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Just stop being dumb. Subscribe. Got to get those clips for social media.